How to get voice chat in Roblox. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to do it. After you open your Roblox app like this, now go to your more at the bottom. After you come to this more, now scroll to down and go to settings. After you go to settings, all you have to do, tap on this account info. So from this account info, you need to go and verify your email. As you can see now, I have verified my email like this one. After you verify your email, then you can scroll all the way to down and tap on this verify my age button. This one. After you verify your age, from there you can tap on this back. So after you come to this back, go to this privacy and content maturity. Then go to communication, this one. So from this communication, now you should be able to wait for like 2 to 3 days. From there, the voice chat will be available for you in this section. And that's it.